Namaskar, I'm CA Ramesh Prabhu, Chairman, Maharashtra Societies Welfare Association. Today I am bringing you in the latest news.
Having said that, as you know, now we have seen this building department, building plan approval department. It will go to every single city because I think every interface with the municipal corporation, with the municipal council, you require solutions which are predictable, which are efficient, and which are transparent. Because one thing is very important in governance, and that is transparency. And that transparency can be brought by technology and AI.
Thank you very much. Please listen to my videos again and again. Share it, like it, and circulate to your members to exercise your legitimate right. Thank you very much.